It's given Beyonce.
I've been a throw up the sex in a.
Hello guys, it's your girl favorite. I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you a couple of wigs that have been sent to me by some companies on Amazon. So I'm just going to show you like the wigs that have kindly gifted to me. So I've got about 3 wigs at the moment. I'm just going to show you the wigs I got. Here are the wigs that I got. I'm just gonna open them. Just gonna open them and show you what it looks like because I haven't opened them yet. I'm gonna open them with you guys because I love you all. So this is a colored one. This one is really cute. It's like a brown, kind of copper brown. I'm not too sure. You guys should let me know in the comments. I'm glad this comes already pre-plucked. And what I tend to do is I have this hair tint. I just spray it because it's like the same skin tone as my skin tone. So it does help because these wigs, the lace tends to not match my skin tone. So yeah, it's like a wavy length. Let's see how nice it is on my skin. Oh my god, this might be my color, you know? It suits my skin so effortlessly. I'm going to be installing the wigs, but not in full. I'm not gonna like go deep into it because I'm not gonna I don't know if you guys want to like see how I install my wigs. So if that's something you guys want me to do, you comment down below and then I could do it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna put it on and basically show you guys what it's given. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Look at the wave and it's so soft. Oh my god, this feels like luxury. It's given Beyonce. Okay, next we have this wig by Oxy Girl. Don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but yeah, that's the wig from them. And it looks amazing on me. Wait, it's jet black, you know, because my hair is meant to be black, but it's not like proper black, is it? It looks sensational. Period. I really love this one. I love a wavy wig. Okay, this one has to be my favorite. Like, it's a glueless wig, and you can see that it's pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything. Like, it's unreal. It looks like my scalp. I've not glued it down. I've just sprayed holding spray like this spray, and I do not spray a lot because obviously I'm trying different wigs and I don't want to put too much products because I'm not really installing it right now. When I do install this hair, bro, it's gonna eat. It's already eaten already. Like, look at that. This is amazing. And see, look at this. See the match? This is literally my scalp. You can't tell me nothing. I styled it like so, like side part. I can style it any style I want, but this side part it's cute. Oh my god. Please, if you're enjoying this sort of vlog, shall I say, just let me know because I can do more of this. This is like things I usually get gifted, so I could like show you guys and do videos and install my wigs and stuff like that. If that's something you're into, then just comment down below, like I said, and then I'll be able to do it because I enjoy it so much. The last but definitely not the least is this wig by RXY. This is how it looks straight out of the box. All I did was cut off the excess lace and tint the whole lace as well. And then I use hot comb around the perimeter, so the top of the hair and the frame, to make it look really nice. And then I just combed it out with a comb, okay? Because with curly hair, you do not want to make the curls really straight, because with a brush it brush out the curls, so we don't want that. So I'm gonna obviously wet the head. Is how it is when it's like dry. It's a lot, but I like this look, to be honest. I do like it, but it is a lot of hair. This hair is glueless as well, which is convenient. I'm gonna wet the hair and show you guys how that looks. Okay, so I think I am loving, not I think, I know, like I am loving this wet look.
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
Thank you so much, guys, for staying throughout the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and you share. Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about me, about my channel. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite ones, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.